welcome back to my channel, Temps. Today I am going to start the 7th chapter of the NCERT book for Science of Class 7. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for more such updates. So let's get started. First we will start with weather. We find that the daily weather report carries information about the temperature, humidity and rainfall during the past 24 hours. Humidity means presence of water vapor in the air. It is the measure of moisture in the air or the water vapor content in the air. On the other hand, rainfall is measured by an instrument called rain gauge. It is basically a measuring cylinder with a funnel on top to collect rainwater. The cylinder is labeled one, which measures the rainfall in centimeters. The day to day temperature varies and the maximum and minimum temperature of every day is measured. Therefore, the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. Is called the weather of that place. The temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed are called the elements of weather. Therefore, we often say that today's weather is cold or yesterday's weather was warm compared to today. Weather is quite complex phenomena which changes over a short period of time. Suppose the weather today is very hot and humid, and suddenly tomorrow the sky becomes dark, cloudy, cold air rushed, and it begin to rain. Here you can see a graph from NCERT book showing the weather or temperature from 3rd to 9th August. The temperature is measured with maximum and minimum thermometers. Now we will discuss the topic climate. Meteorologists record the weather every day. The records of the weather has been preserved for past several decades. This helps us to determine the weather pattern at a place. The average weather pattern at a place taken over a long time, say 20 to 25 years, is called the climate of that place. For knowing the climate of a place, the mean temperature for a given month is calculated. Then we calculate the average of such average temperature of many years. That gives the mean temperature. See here two charts of two different places is given from NCERT book. Their climates are totally different from one another. Kerala is a very hot and wet in comparison to Jammu and Kashmir, which has a moderately hot and wet temperature or hot and wet part of the like we can say hot and wet climate for a part of year. Acha. Rajasthan, on the other hand, have the typical desert climate. It is hot and dry. So this is how the climate of a different place varies over the distribution of places. So that's all for today's video. Here we have understood the difference between the weather and climate. In our next video, we will be discussing the adaptation of animals to various climates. Thank you and keep supporting for more such educational contents.